Alright, what we have here today, fresh off the bench, is a vintage Cobra 29 LTD WX Classic. It is a weather channel and works very well. It is a new radio. It is vintage. I believe the build date was 94 on the back, 93. I have peaked and tuned. I have added a modulation swing kit. I've also added TALKBACK. Radio swings around 18 watts. Nice strong radio, modulations turned up. Included is a new Superstar Echo Power mic. It works very well.
Audio check. 1, 2. Hello. Audio.
Head tuned to receive. Everything's been aligned to receive, transmit. Nice mobile unit. It'll come with the box. Box is a little wore from age, but it has the owner's manual, all the paperwork with it, mic, power cord, bracket, everything you need. Very nice radio. Nice loud mobile unit.
For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico, the National Hurricane Center is issuing advisories on Hurricane Dorian, located a few hundred miles
Everything
east of the
works as it
northwestern
should.
Bahamas. A tropical wave located about midway
What
between
you
the
see
coast of
is
Africa
what
and the
you will
Cabo Verde
receive.
Islands continues to produce a large area of showers and a few thunderstorms.